Now, unfortunately, we got some insulation here. I'm going to leave it here until a later date, but we need to get on the other side. Alright, while I'm doing the electrical work, I don't talk a lot. I'm focused on what I'm doing so I don't screw it up. Hey, I'm honest about it. I'm great with 12 or 24 volt, 120. I'm still learning. So far, so good. I haven't electrocuted myself, or Sarah, or Zeus, even though his hair looks like it sometimes. In this part of the video, I'm suspending the wire above the stair area, and I'm going to wind up tucking it in and securing it so we can put some kind of ceiling in that area sometime over the summer or in the fall. Now, unfortunately, we got some insulation here. I'm going to leave it here until a later date, but we need to get on the other side. Probably can't see much. I'm sorry about that. Alright, so the first outlet you saw me put in was in the library. This one here is in the corner of the bedroom where Sarah likes to sit and play her dulcimer. All the insulation you see is from when we were building the house. It will be going out and being put to use in other places somewhere around the property here soon. And this one's coming, 3 wires coming out of it, or going into it, because I've got to run a wire for the new fan that we have. One wire is going to the outlet, one's going to the fan, and the third one is going out to the upper balcony. What looks like a desk in the background on the left side is actually Zuby's bedroom. We're going to be giving Zeus a whole new area here soon. We'll show you that when that comes time to be done. Right about here, the dust. So I do it that way. It's kind of right in the middle of the couch. Good Lord. Oops.
Oops.
I made a mess.
Oh. That's a basic assumption when you're drilling and pounding.
Thank you. What?
That's pretty funny.
What is?
Oh, my socks. I shouldn't leave things laying around, obviously. I like those socks. Will you need this again up there?
No, ma'am.
I'm going to put it on the trunk,
Okay.
standing up.
Okay. Upstairs there should be a little box of screws that I had up there. I'm gonna need them.
Box of screws.
We never intended to put a ceiling fan in, but the house does get warm at certain times of the year, and I like to be cool when I'm sitting on the couch reading or for watching a movie. So, when I found this one online, I had to buy it. You'll see that here shortly. Hang up for a few more minutes. Alright, so what is the item that I have that I'm so excited about? It's something silly. It's a ceiling fan. I got this off Temu. It comes in a variety of different colors, some we won't even mention. They're a little bit too bright for me. Alright, and this box was opened because it came from China, so Customs opened it up. And I did notice that they did take the plastics off the fan blades. And I believe the fan is 21 inches across. Not very much on the instructions. So let's look at the blades. It's fairly light. And by the way, it screws into a light bulb outlet. This side. Oh, so they'll be that way. The reason why I ordered this is the house gets warm at certain times, and when I'm sitting on the couch reading or if we're watching a movie, it can get rather warm. I had regular fans that I could blow on through us, but they draw a lot of power. This thing claims it only draws 40 watts. So we're going to check that out here in a little bit. We'll find out exactly. But anyways, it's together that quickly. And you already seen me install the outlet above the couch, so let's go put that in. First, let me find some batteries for this thing. Unless it has some in it, it might. Yes, it does. So, let's get this thing installed real fast. Be right back. All right. Sarah's outside getting water. Don't let her know I'm standing on the couch. Oh, light came on. Let's see how the fan does. And it positioned it perfectly right over my spot, and there's a good breeze. So it's power level 1. There's 2. I can hear a little bit of a hum. It's not bad. I mostly hear the air from the fans. Wow. That moves a lot of air. Now I'm curious to see how much it really draws. So I'm going to shut it off. Alright, so for our electrical system up here, we use a grow watt 3000 watt inverter that's 24 volt. And to monitor all that, I have what they call solar assistant. So let's focus on that number there. Currently we're sitting at 71 watts. Let's turn the light on. Goes up to 86. Let's turn the fan on. We'll put it on low. And mind you, there are other things on in the house, so it's going to come up and down a little bit. So we're up to 87. We're up to medium. We're up to 99 watts. We'll give it a second, see if it flat lines. All right, it's down to 95, 97, that's fine. Let's go up to 100% on the fan. And now we're at 100% on the fan with the light on. So I think it actually is using less than what it says. It says it draws 40 amps. I think it's right around that or just under. I'm gonna call it between 30 to 40 amps. Now we just spiked up because I did hear one of the radios kick in for charging. So let's turn the light off. The remote doesn't reach far. The light is now off, so we can see that it draws a fair amount of power. Let's turn it back on. Light is back on, and we go back up. So it actually uses quite a bit of power for the LED light, and that's fine. Okay, let's move on with the video. All right, so this is what the room looks like with the light on low on the yellow lighting, the warm lighting. That's off. That's on. Brighten it up. All right, now I'll bring it back down and I'll put it over to the cooler color. That's low. I could read by this. And that's high. It is quite bright for a little light. All right, that's it for now. Don't forget, we have our live every Monday night starting at 4 o'clock, and we were followed by Adam and Phil's from Alaska Cut the Cord at 5:45. So make sure you come over and hang out with us and stick around for happy hour and see what kind of crazy subject they got going on this coming week. All right, see you next time.